Hello everyone, welcome to the channel. Article 55 titles Manner of Election of President, and Clause 1 states that as far as practicable, there shall be uniformity in the scale of representation of the different states at the election of the President. Second, for the purpose of securing such uniformity among the states inter se, as well as parity between the states as a whole and the Union, the number of votes which each elected member of parliament and of the legislative assembly of each state is entitled to cast at such election shall be determined in the following manner. A. Every elected member of the legislative assembly of a state shall have as many votes as there are multiples of 1000 in the quotient obtained by dividing the population of the state by the total number of the elected members of the assembly. B. If taking if after taking the said multiples of 1000, the remainder is not less than 500, then the vote of each member referred to in subclause A shall be further increased by 1. C. Each elected member of either house of parliament shall have such number of votes as may be obtained by dividing the total number of votes assigned to the members of the legislative assemblies of the states under subclauses A and B by the total number of the elected members of both houses of parliament, fractions exceeding one half being counted as one and other fractions being disregarded. Third, the election of the president shall be held in accordance with the system of proportional representation by means of the single transferable vote, and the voting at such election shall be by secret ballot. Explanation in this article, the expression population means the population as ascertained at the last preceding census of which the relevant figures have been published, providing that the reference in this application in this explanation to the last preceding census of such relevant figures have been published shall until the relevant figures for the first census taken after the year 2026 have been published be construed as a reference to the 1971 census. So Article 55 is devised a way by which a value is attached to each vote of an MP and an MLA during the election of the president. Okay. This is an attempt to indicate that the president represents unity of India. The vote value of an MLA is population of that state divided by total number of elected members of legislative assemblies into 1 by 1000. The total vote value of an MP, total vote value of all votes of all MPs of all the states divided by total number of elected members of parliament. Therefore, the president's election is held in accordance with the system of proportional representation by means of a single transferable vote, and the voting is by secret ballot. The expression population means the population as ascertained at the last preceding census of which the relevant figures have been published, but through 84th Constitutional Amendment Act 2001, the population data right now is construed as per 1971 census figure till the year 2026, and in 2026 this date shall be commenced. Again, Article 56 will talk about the term of the president. Thank you.